Hello friends. Today I want to talk about something very personal and upsetting, something that has turned my life upside down. I was tricked by a bad housing scheme when I booked a house. It was supposed to be a great deal with a builder and a bank. Back then it seemed perfect. The builder said the house would be ready in a few years, and the bank said the builder would pay my monthly loan payments until I got the house. I believed them. But now, years later, I don't have a home, and honestly I don't even want it anymore. The building isn't finished, the builder won't talk to me. And the bank? They keep asking me for money for a house that doesn't exist, My credit score is really bad now because I couldn't pay. I even complained to the housing authorities, but nothing happened. No help, no money back, no solution. I'm stuck with no money and feeling terrible. I'm making this video to ask the Indian government for help. Please help people like me get out of these bad deals, help us get our money back, and please fix our credit scores so we can live normal lives again. We invested in our dreams, not nightmares. Thousands of people are in the same situation. These schemes were supposed to help people buy homes, not ruin their lives. I want the government to do something. Look into these bad builders and banks. Make a way for victims to get help quickly. Punish the people who did this to us and make the banks stop bothering people who've already lost everything. Please help us. We trusted the system, and now the system needs to help us. If you're watching this and you understand what I'm going through, please share this video. Let's speak up together. And even if this hasn't happened to you, please share it anyway. If more people know about this, it might stop someone else from becoming a victim. Thank you. Jai Hind.